It's the elevator at, I forget the address, 575 Jericho Turnpike, and unfortunately it was modded. Ah, damn it. Alright, let's see.
Third floor.
One thing I will say though, I like these buttons. I've never seen these. That sucks. Anyways. That's where the indicator used to be. Look at that cool lantern though. It's got a decent motor at least. Island elevator.
First floor.
It also talks too. See, there's armor. Well, let's start up.
Third floor.
Let's say going down.
Going down.
There is an exit on too. I do like these buttons though.
Second floor.
Each floor has its own personality.
Going down.
It almost seems like it would be closely resemblant to a Roxy. If I would say anything for the very least because of that chime. TR bar buttons. This is actually a first. Monitor TR but long. It's got a 2,000 pound capacity.
First floor.
Armor. How should I get? That sucks. Alright, well, there it goes, and that's it.